So today I'm gonna be installing damn it, boy. Don't start off.
Disconnecting the drive shaft.
Disconnecting the drive shaft with the 11mm, right?
Yep. Need a perp.
And after you disconnected the bolts, was it pried out?
Oh, that shit was loose.
Yeah.
Now we just gotta pull it.
You just gotta pull it from transmission, but it's probably gonna leak fluid. Pull it out. More.
Did I mark it, sir? Cool.
Yeah. Oh shit.
I'm gonna.
Cool.
Fuck, should we check how much air? How much?
Nah, it's not that much coming out. Maybe like.
That's not really.
Yeah, that's really nothing.
Should I pour this out or leave it in?
Just leave it in.
Leave it in, right?
And just like pull it back. Now we put the jack under the transmission. Using the cross member that supports the transmission to drop the white pipe.
No, remove the bolts.
Remove the bolts. Watch out, they're gonna fall on your head. Pretty fast. Okay. Drop it down. Get that out of the way.
Alright, now. One thing holding the transmission up is the jacks.
The jack
transmission
stand supporting it, so we
Transmission
gotta
jack.
take off the white pipe.
This was 15.
Alright, so as you can see, the cross member's gone. White pipe's disconnected. We already disconnected the
Shifter wire.
shifter wire. Just disconnect the whole bracket.
Yeah. Now taking off the bracket for the lines.
Now it's disconnecting everything. I'm about to disconnect the main harness for the ECU. And the dipstick has like a bracket up there. So the two bolts for the starter, this one and this one. It comes out, this is like a dust cover, get into the flywheel. And just disconnect this from the starter. And it also has a ground. Disconnecting it, taking it off. And after that, you can take down the starter. Now that the starter's gone, it's covered. Just get it unbolted though. You just take off the bolt from the dust cover. Now you have access to the flywheel. You're gonna rotate the engine, and get 3 bolts from the flywheel to disconnect the converter. So you spin the engine, and it will expose the bolts. Now you just break them loose.
Holy fuck. Okay, how tight.
They have Loctite. If anything, use the impact.
Yeah, it's getting ready.
Alright, there you go.
Fantastic. Alright, so this transmission should have like 3 bolts. So just rotate it more and take the rest. Tight. Really tight. God damn. Oh, you know what? Look. Because it's hitting this right here, it's not letting me move it down. Oh my fucking god.
You have a torch?
Okay, I got my leverage here. Holy fuck.
They put my breaker bar in that bitch.
I bet you from my phone they're like.
Alright, so we're taking off the bolts from the bell housing, the engine. I noticed that I was missing some.
Who would smoke?
The fucking got my transmission swapped, and I guess the people didn't know how to fucking put two bolts. One right there and one somewhere missing over here on this side. So try to run to the auto part store to see if we can find one. It's hard to record up here.
I'm making some stuff. So now all the bolts are disconnected and it's ready to pull and separate from the motor. Okay, so we're gonna drop it down a little bit and pull back. Actually, I think you need to go more higher.
You think?
Yeah, go higher. More? I think more. Oh, I see it.
Oh shit! This shit fucking.
Let me tighten it more. Okay.
There it goes.
Hey Steve, give me that pry bar. There's a pry bar in the corner over there. All right, so disconnect it. Now we pull back a little bit. More back.
Let me take the. There it goes now.
What are you doing? Moving out the way?
The dipstick. Shit.
All right, you gotta move back. Move back. Pull back. All right, more?
Hold on, let me take the dipstick out.
Oh, okay.
Hey Steve. Yeah, there.
All right, so the dipstick is out now.
Yeah.
And now just have to hold on. Go back up. All right, never mind. You go down. All right, move back a little bit. All right, now drop it all the way. Okay. Here, for 60 out. All right. So, see the flywall, and here's the torque converter that we're trying to get to.
Flywheel.
No, that's the flywheel. It's a torque converter. The stall.
Shit.
Ready to come out.
Put it back in there in the hole or leave it out?
All right, so right now we're taking off the flywheel. You need to do this, but we're doing it to replace the rear main seal on the motor because it's leaking a little bit. Might as well do that right now since we're all in here.
We're gonna be replacing the seal for the cover and the rear main seal. It's leaking a little bit, I think, from right here. Got the flywheel and the transmission. So, taking off the bolts, notice that this one was the one that was wet. So it's leaking from here a little bit, not too much, but might as well change it. See, as you can tell right here, the leaking oil. So, gotta just take these two bolts off coming from here. Okay, so remove the seal, the cover. Just gonna clean it up a little bit right here. And after, what you want to do is apply some RTB, yeah, right here, and you'll be good. Gotta fill up the new converter with fluid.
Hey, lift it up from here, the rest of it, and then lift it up flat. It's kind of heavy. All right, now I got it. All right, cool.
Did it have a lot?
Take one on.
No?
I mean, it doesn't feel like it.
No, that's good.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
No. Oh shit.
My fucking vein in my.
It's good, isn't it? It's barely. Rear main seal's back on. Gasket for the rear seal. Put RTV on the back right here. Let's hope it doesn't leak. Alright, so the flywheel's on. Torqued it to 74 pounds. Like this. and a circle. 74. So that's good. Now
That's the way.
install converter onto the transmission. Okay, it's behind you. Look.
All right, we're gonna put the stall in now. I'm sure some fluid is gonna leak out. Oh, that's one click,
That's fucking 3.
bro. It's supposed to be like 3 clicks total, though.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Alright, cool.
Some leaked.
Just a little bit.
Circle D. It's a 2800 stall. Alright guys, so the stall's in. Just needs to put up the transmission. Everything's tight. It's gonna take a while. Getting the transmission back on. Just tying the bolts. Pretty quick process. I mean, I'm doing it in the garage.